welcome back to my channel Chal Chakra. Today in this video I'm going to discuss in brief about how to get success in your career, how your professional life is connected to the Vastu, and which all direction if you work you will be going to get more success. You must have noticed a lot of people get success after doing a lot of hard work, but sometimes a lot of people get easy success in their life. So in this video I'm going to discuss in brief about each and every profession. If you are a consultant or you are into a real estate business or you are a singer or the artist, so I'm going to discuss in brief about the direction, what all directions you have to take care of to get the easy success. First is, if you are into a job, any type of job you are into, and you are not getting the success in your job, you are not getting a promotions, you are stuck in office politics, you are working in the same organization since years, still you are not getting the promotions, or you are not getting the financial success, or you are not getting any opportunities when you are into a job. So if you are into a job, the direction for you is a north direction. There must be some problem in the north direction of your house. You have to check the north direction of the house. Make sure that in the north direction you should not have kitchen or the washroom. If you have a kitchen and the washroom in the north direction and you are into job, it is going to create a problem in getting good opportunities. It is going to give you the blockages in getting promotions, and even getting the appreciation of the work will also be difficult for you. So you have to do the treatment for the north direction to get the success in the job. Second most important direction is the northeast. If you are a consultant, like you are an astrologer or you are a Vastu consultant, or you are working in any industry where you are providing services to someone, then for you the most important direction is the northeast. You have to check northeast of your house, and you have to make sure that you are not having kitchen or the washroom in the northeast, because if the northeast direction of your house is blocked, then you will be not getting success as an astrologer, as a Vastu consultant, or any type of services you are providing. If you are into a service sector and this particular direction is blockage in your house, you will not able to get success easily. If you want to get the easy success, then you have to make sure that the northeast direction of your house is Vastu free. Third direction is a northeast direction, and it is a very good direction. This is a direction for the teachers. If you have a coaching center or you are into a teaching profession, then you have to make sure that the northeast of your house is Vastu free, and you have to make sure that you don't have a kitchen or the washroom in the northeast direction. If you are a teacher, then the best direction is if you stand in the northeast direction teaching your students. So this will be going to help you out, your student, to understand easily what you are teaching, and you will be going to get success as a teacher. The same if you have a educational institution, then also you have to make sure that your northeast direction of the house is Vastu free and you don't have a kitchen or the washroom in the northeast direction. The next is the east northeast. This is a direction for the singer, for the artist, and the people who are into painting. So this is a very good direction if you are a painter. Then if you are practicing your painting in this particular direction, you will be going to get easy success. If you are a singer or you play any particular instrument and you do practice, then make sure that you are doing in this direction, so you will be going to get more success and you will be going to get success easily in your life. But you have to make sure that this particular direction of your house should not be a blockage, and there should be no Vastu dosh in this particular direction. The next is east. East is a direction for the marketing. If your profession is related to the marketing, or you are doing job related to the marketing, or you have a huge company, then you have to make sure that your marketing team is sitting in the east direction. So if you are into a marketing profession, or you are doing any work related to the marketing, then you have to make sure that you are sitting in the east direction. This is going to give you more success. And make sure that in your house the east direction is free from any type of Vastu dosh. So if you make sure, if you take care of the east direction in your house, you will be going to get easy success. If you are a business consultant or you are in a counseling service sector, then you have to make sure that in your house, east, southeast direction should be, there should no Vastu dosh in this particular direction, because this is a very important direction for you. And if you are a business consultant, you're giving consultation to someone, in that case you have to make sure that you're sitting in this particular direction and taking your calls. You are going to get more success and you are going to get easy success in your life. If you have a shop or your work is more related to the cash, daily you are getting cash and you are giving cash, or you have any type of shop you have, then you have to make sure that your drawer should be in the southeast, or the person who is receiving the money should always be in the southeast direction. Along with this, you have to make sure that the southeast direction of your house should be Vastu, should not be any type of Vastu dosh in the southeast direction of your house, to get more abundance and the financial stability in your life. This is for overall, for any type of business where daily you are receiving or giving the cash, then this is the most important direction for you, that is the southeast direction. So if you are going to take care of these direction as per your profession, you will be going to start getting success easily in your life, in your career. If you are a gym owner or you are a motivational speaker, then the best direction for you is a south-southeast. So first, that you have to make sure that you are not having any type of Vastu dosh in this direction where you stay in your house. Next, if you have a gym in the south-southeast direction, your business related to the gym will be going to get success easily. Or if you are a motivational speaker, then you have to make sure that there is no Vastu dosh in this particular direction. And if you are guiding people standing in this direction, then you will be going to get success easily in your life. The next is a very important direction to get the name, fame and success. If you are looking to get the name, fame and success, you are a YouTuber or you have an Instagram profile and you want people to follow you, then the most important direction is the south direction. If you have any type of blockages in the south direction in your house, then to get name, fame and success will be difficult for you. So you have to make sure that the south direction of your house is free from any type of Vastu dosh. And the best is, if you are going to put any red light or the red bulb in the south direction, it is going to get success easily in your life, to get name, fame and success easily in your life. People who are into construction business or who have a factory, or your work is more related to the labor management, then you have to make sure that you should not have any type of Vastu dosh in the south-southwest direction of your house. And this is a very good direction for the YouTubers, and if you have any type of public profile on YouTube or Instagram and you want to get name, fame and success, so if you are uploading your video from south-southwest, then the video to get viral, the chances will be very high. If you are doing any very skillful work, then the southwest direction is best for you. Like if you are an engineer and you are doing any type of coding, then southwest direction is good for you. Or you are a video editor, you have to make sure that the southwest direction of your house, there should no Vastu dosh in this particular direction, to get name, fame, to get name and success easily. As well as if you are doing or working from this direction, then to get success in your profession will be easy. So make sure, so this is a very important direction for you. Next is a west-southwest direction. This is a very important direction for the people who are into a brokerage business, like share brokerage, any type of commission agent, or you are the real estate brokerage. So this particular direction is very important for you. If you are into any type of such type of business, then you have to make sure that this particular direction, you are not having any type of Vastu dosh in this particular direction. And if you're sitting in this particular direction and doing your work, so you getting success will be easy. The next is the direction of the Shani, that is the west direction. So if you are into a business connected to Shani planet, like if you are into a iron related business, or you have a business of coal, or if you have a business related to shoes, in that case the most important direction for you is the west direction. West is a direction for Lord Shani. So you have to make sure that the west direction, there should not be any type of vastu dosh in the west direction of your house. And the best is if you have a office in the west direction, if you are sitting in the west direction and taking any type of calls or doing any type of business deals, then you getting success will be very easy. Next is a west northwest. This is a very important direction for the people who are dealing into alcohol or cigarette, or you have a business related to any type of addiction, you have a bar, then this is a very important direction for you. If you have a shop related to alcohol or bar in this particular direction, then you getting success will be easy. As well as you have to make sure that in your house this particular direction should not have any type of vastu dosh, then you getting success in these type of business will be very easy. Next is a northwest direction. Northwest direction is an important direction for the banking related work. If you are working in a bank or you are doing anything related to bank, like any type of, you are into any type of financial management, then this is a very important direction for you. You have to make sure that you are not having any type of vastu dosh in your house in this particular direction if you are into this profession. And if you are working in this particular direction, so you getting success in any work related to the finances or the banking will be easy. If you have a business related to salon or spa, then the best direction for you is a northwest. If you have a salon or the spa in this direction, then you getting success will be easy. Or you have to make sure that in your house this particular direction should not have any type of vastu dosh. So if you take care of these directions as per your career, you getting success will be very easy. Share in the comment that which business you are into or which type of profession you are into. Overall, I have covered up most of the profession and business in it, but still if I miss it, so you can share it me on the comments. I will be going to help you out that which is the direction that you have to take care of. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video with your loved ones. Thank you and have a great day.